Today I have a 23-inch cone and some cotton yarn that I picked up at Walmart. I'm using my glue gun. And basically I'm just going to be wrapping little by little all the way up the cone in this fashion. Very repetitive. Now, these cones I did find at Hobby Lobby, but right now you may have a hard time getting them, so we do get them on Amazon as well. And this is the fabric. I got that at Walmart, the yarn. And once I went all the way up, I started coming all the way back down. And for this large cone, I did need one whole yarn and a little bit of a second one to make it look the way that I wanted it to. And then when I'm done, I kind of go more randomly wider spread out of the yarn just to finish it off. And then you just glue it at the end like you did in the beginning and cut off your yarn. Now you can decorate these however you want. You could put lights on them. You could glue buttons, bows, beads, any kind of embellishments that you want. I kind of left mine plain. I felt like that was more my style. So I did one in white. Now this one is a 17-inch. I wanted a couple different heights. And this is the same yarn in, I think it was called silver, or it's a gray tone. And again, I got the yarn at Walmart. This is very, very simple. Now this is my smaller cone. This is 11 inches. And I grabbed this from my Just a Buck. It had it in a zebra print and a leopard print. And it's kind of a fleece type yarn. And it has a little bit of a, it's quite thicker, so you don't need as much. And I did the same thing, just went around, wrapping it little by little till I got to the top. You can really wrap your cone in any material you want. I see a lot of the yarn ones in the stores. So now this one, what I did is I took, I had this bag of unfinished stars, and I took 2 of them, and I glued one in the front, added some raffia in the back of that, just a little spray of raffia, and then glued the second star behind that. So it was almost like a sandwich, a raffia sandwich made out of wooden stars. So again, very, very simple. Something I feel you could do with children. These are super simple and they came out really cute. I really hope you enjoyed this video. For other tutorials, go check us out on YouTube. You can now watch all our videos at chalkitupfancy.com. For any paint products, tissue paper, transfers, or brushes, chalkitupfancy.com. Thank you so much.